Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Poco X2 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take a slow motion video on your phone Poco X2. First of all, open camera on your phone. Click here for camera and click on slow motion option. Now record your video. Start recording your video. Click here. While recording it be like a normal video, but when you play that video that will be in slow motion. Now open the video that you recorded and see the action there. The action is very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video in your phone Poco X2. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.